Okay. I thought you already had a robot named Cosmo.
I did.
You did? What? It's gone, your robot?
No, it's not gone.
Hmm.
Yeah, but like Cosmo from Timmy Turner.
Cosmo and Wanda?
Yeah.
So you saying the robot is stupid?
No.
Cosmo on is he's not the smartest guy in the world.
I know.
Mm.
I don't know. You name him.
I don't know. Let's name him Meccano. Or Dr. Roboto.
Or Dr. Robot.
Dr. Roboto. Origato, Dr. Roboto. Origato, Dr. Roboto. Right, so what we did. So it took us a long time, right?
Yeah.
So
we got to the arm part finally.
We finally got to the arm part. I know Daddy was procrastinating.
What do procrastinating?
Procrastinating means that I was taking my time, that I was avoiding doing work. That's what it means. Avoiding doing work. All right. So we got to the arm part. We did the head last night, right?
Yeah.
And then we did the arms this morning.
I made a fist. This is his best fist.
That's the best fist he got?
Yeah.
Well, he gonna be a fighting robot? I thought he was a peaceful robot.
He is a peaceful robot.
Okay.
So how about we call him Miles Moogie?
Miles Moogie?
Yeah.
Okay. Miles Moogie the robot. Just been Christian. Alright, so still got things to do. Still got to do his legs. And some other stuff. But that's the robot, right, Mello?
Yeah.
Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.